Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I have been looking at Firefox for the past few days. My Firefox, of course, updated to its version 127.0.2, and they said that those that had problems with the fact that you couldn't view any videos was fixed, and I still see some people with saying that they still have problems viewing YouTube videos with Firefox. Now, I've actually spent most days when I wanted to watch videos, I decided to use Firefox to see if it worked, and it works fine for me. I've not had any stutter, any stop, any freeze, any kind of problems or buffering. So it's I'm wondering if it's maybe how people are using it. If you're using an ad blocker, if you're using some extension of some sort, because mine is free of any extension. This is really something that made me kind of question what could be. Two people in the comments did say something that if you want to do it, I'm not sure it's a good idea because it removes part of the security aspect. But if some want to do it, some have said that if you go into your settings and that you search here for DNS, and you'll be sent to something called Enable DNS over HTTPS. So using the default protection here. Some have said that when they turn this off, it's working and things are back to normal. So could it be DNS over HTTPS creating some kind of issue with it? I don't know. So you can, of course, just choose off and you use the default DNS resolver, which also is your internet provider resolver unless you've changed it somewhere else. So I don't know, because this, of course, the DNS over HTTPS means it resolves over a secure network, which means it's encrypted, which means it adds security. Could that be causing an issue? I don't know, but I got two comments that this did work. So I don't know if some of you have the problem and want to try it. You can just turn it off, try a few videos, and see did it change something or not. And if it did, just comment below, and we'll see. But it's very interesting to see the number of people that seem to be having issues when there's a lot of people also commenting back that they have zero problems with viewing YouTube videos on Firefox, like I have no problem either viewing videos over Firefox. So it's weird. Some people are saying it's Google messing up Firefox. There's no sense to that, because if it did, it tried to do it on every other Chromium-based browser. So I don't know. Mysterious mystery. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.